Hi, hello. Today I am getting ready to go to a wedding, and as you can tell, I've already washed my hair. I took a shirt on me because I just think it's easier to pop these than to take a shirt and be very careful to not ruin your makeup. Now I want to just exfoliate my face. I'm using these Renew toner pads. They are really nice, and I'm actually running out of them. I need to buy some soon. I plan on exfoliating my face, applying a face mask, doing my hair while the mask sits. Now, the face mask that I intend to apply on my face is this one from Plant. It's a hydrogel mask. It has hyaluronic acid, phytoceramides, and trehalose. I don't know what that is, but let's try it. See? It's dripping. Oh, like this. I think that this is the part that I should actually put on my face. I'm so bad at this. She is huge. I like it. It's cooling. Ugh. I think I got her to sit nicely on the face, as nicely as I could. The rest I always like to drag on the neck and on my hands. You know how I said that I would put the mask on and do my hair? I will not be able to do my hair while this is on because she's too much in my hairline. The only thing that I can do at the moment is apply my hair products, and I'm applying this from Kevin Murphy. It's a leave-in repair, and the Moroccan oil light, the hair oil. Taking the Kevin Murphy treatment and just I like to get close to the roots. Next, doing the little Moroccan oil hair oil. I think this is enough. I am not pretty when I apply hair care products. I don't know how people do it so that it looks nice, but it's just not me. I am interested in buying a new hair oil. I would really love to hear your suggestions for good hair oils because I really need it. I don't know how long I've had the mask on, but I think it's about time I take it off because I am starting to fall behind the schedule and I'm gonna run late. It's just pull. Ooh. Now I'm just rubbing it all in. Now we are doing skincare really fast. I'm gonna start with the makeup+hair B5 spray from La Roche-Posay. Applying a mix between the ceramide serum from Bioma and the brightening serum from Bioma. I'm applying 3 dots of each product. I'm trying not to touch the pipette on my face. Now I'm applying the Bioma Gel Cream Moisturizer. This is my absolute favorite one. It has green tea, it has niacinamide, it has 3 ceramide complex, which is specific to Bioma. Next, I'm gonna do some hydrogel eye patches, and then I'm gonna do my hair. For the hair, I first want to brush it, and I am using the Tangle Teaser brush. Now I am just going to section it. I've sectioned it and I caught it with a clamp, and I part it in 2. I use this, a full arm workout. Whenever I'm done with any part, like I am with the lower one now, I just take a scrunchie and I scrunchie that part, not pulling tight or anything, but just separating it from everything else. Now I'm gonna be using this, which is, I don't know what it is, but it just makes your hair shiny. This is how shiny it looks after I've applied this miracle product. I love it. My boyfriend is also getting ready. That's why you are hearing that noise. Let's move on to the makeup. I'm just gonna add some hair clips. For primer, I have 2 that I'm gonna use today. The Bare Minerals one, which is the Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum, and the Soft Glam Filter from Catrice. Apply 2 pumps of the Bare Minerals, applying the Catrice on the high point, a little bit on the lid, and the rest of the thingy that's left on the brush, I put it everywhere. Blending it all in with my fingers. I actually dragged some on my under eyes because it really brightens them and makes them look really nice. I'm not doing any foundation, so I'm just gonna do the Hourglass concealer all over the face instead of foundation. I'm only applying in the center and then I'm gonna build it up as I go. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury one in the shade Fair. Also dragging it on my eyelids and pulling it up so that it lifts my whole face. The hairline is also important, down the side of my nose. For blush, I'm going to be using this one from Fenty Beauty. For powder, I'm going to use the powder from Hourglass with the powder puff from e.l.f. I just shake it so it's coming out. I'm going to be doing a little bit of powder blush, and this is the one from Dior, and I'll give it that extraness. It looks like this because I always clean it with isopropylic alcohol. I don't know if that ruins the product or not, to be very honest. I hope not. I've seen some girls doing it and I need to clean my makeup always, otherwise I'm not happy. I'm going to be doing the Kevyn Aucoin True Feather Brow Marker Gel Duo. It's the best and I always use it in special occasions. So I actually only use it in special occasions because I don't really find it in stock always, so I need to use it with care. The brows are set. Now I'm just gonna fill them in with the marker. They're fine. I can live with them. For dyes, I'm gonna use my favorite transition shade, which is this. With a flat brush. I'm also taking it and doing my lower lash line. The same flat brush. I'm taking the subtle color and I'm applying it on my upper lash line, but very smudgy. I'm deepening a little bit the outer corner using the shade Dazzle, which is the darkest one in this palette. Next, I'm just doing a little bit of a dark brown eyeliner. Now I'm doing something very risky, just smudging it. Trying to keep it as close as possible to the lash line. Love it. Lashes, I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal. I forgot to curl my lashes before doing this because I'm already learning late. Lips, I'm only doing this lip pencil from Sephora. I'm doing Craving from MAC Cosmetics, only in the center. This is how it looks blended. Setting spray is gonna be this Hourglass one, the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. I'm gonna get dressed fast because I'm late, so okay, this is the final look. I hope